Hello, English Basic Grammar with you. First of all, I would like to thank all those who subscribed to my channel. We are 40 already. And one more important thing today, it is the 24th of December, so Christmas is coming, Catholic Christmas. And I would like to congratulate everyone who considers this holiday to be theirs. So Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. May it be full of love, joy, and peace. And I think that we'll start today our lesson number 19. Lesson 19 is about the passive voice again. We continue. Today, continuous group, past continuous, present continuous, and future continuous. And what is interesting, the interesting fact is that for future continuous in the passive voice, there is no special structure. Instead of future continuous, we use the formula or structure for the future simple. I hope that right now we can start, so let's do it. Hello, English Basic Grammar, Lesson 19. We are going to speak today about the passive voice, a continuous group, past continuous, present continuous, and future continuous for the passive voice. To start with, let me remind you the general structure for the active voice continuous group. It is to be plus the main verb in ing form. And for the passive voice, the general structure to be plus the verb, main verb, in the third form or ending ed. So let's try to unite these two structures into one. For past continuous, to be in past was or were, to be in ing form, it is being, and the third form of the verb or ending ed. Was, were plus being plus the third form of the verb. The example, the house was being built this time last year. As you can remember, it's necessary to state a moment. So we can use the time structures or expressions like this time yesterday or this time last week, at 6 o'clock yesterday, or to define the moment with the time clause, for example, when he came. Let's do the same for present continuous. To be in present, am is are. To be in ing form, being, plus the main verb in the third form. The house is being built now. And we state the moment at present with the words like now or at the moment. And there is no special structure for future continuous. Instead, we use the structure for future simple, will be plus the third form of the main verb or ending ed. The example, the house will be built this time next month. And again, we should define or state a moment, this time next week, this time next month, at 6 o'clock tomorrow, or when he comes. I hope you remember that in time clauses we don't use future simple. We use present simple instead. You can pause this slide and study it better. Time for checking. We have 5 sentences here. It's necessary to use the verbs in brackets in the correct form. Pause the video, take your time, and pay special attention to the subject of the sentences in blue and to the time clauses or markers in brown. Now let's check. The cake in the singular, and when the power went out, we stated the moment in the past, so past continuous, was being baked. The house in the singular, and now present continuous, is being painted. When the boss walked in, again the moment in the past, the documents in the plural were being reviewed. At the moment now, the project in the singular is being completed, and at 4 o'clock tomorrow it is future continuous, and we use the structure for the future simple. The article in the singular will be typed. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.